Hey, welcome to everybody. Today we have very exponential logical question. How we calculate the value of x, 6 exponent of x minus 3 exponent of x divided by 2 exponent of x minus 1 is equal to 1. So, first of all, we are making the factor of, we can write 2 into 3 whole exponent of x minus 3 exponent of x divided by 2 exponent of minus 1 is equal to 1. So according to the double exponent rule, so x and y whole exponent of m is equal to x exponent of m and y exponent of m. According to this rule, we are expanding this term 2 exponent of x and 3 exponent of x minus 3 exponent of x divided by 2 exponent of x minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we are taking common 3 exponent of 1, and here we are taking common 3 exponent of x is taking common 2 exponent of x minus 1, and 2 exponent of x minus 1 is equal to 1. So both results are cancel to each other. 3 exponent of x is equal to 1. Now this one we can write 3 exponent of 0. So this is our same. So we get answer is x is equal to 0. But we want to verify our answer is correct or not. Verification. In the place of x we put and here 6 exponent of 0 and 3 exponent of 0, 2 exponent of 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. That is the question mark. So 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 is question mark. So if we get in here, this is cancelled, this is also cancelled, we get 0 divided by 0 form. So that is 1. It means that the given exponential have no solution of this question is no solution. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more.